The Igbo people have a rich history full of amazing women who have made significant contributions to their communities and beyond. These women have played pivotal roles in shaping the cultural, social, and political landscapes of their time. These women were brave, strong, and changed the world around them. They stood up against injustices, led their people with wisdom, and left a lasting legacy that continues to inspire generations. But sadly, many of their stories have been forgotten, buried in the annals of history. It's time to bring these stories to light and give these women the recognition they deserve. Today, we're going to remember some of these amazing women and celebrate everything they did. Their achievements are not just historical footnotes, they are powerful narratives that highlight the strength and resilience of Igbo women. Let me introduce you to Queen Ahebe Ugbabe. She was an incredible Igbo queen who ruled in the late 1800s. Her story is one of courage and determination, as she navigated the complexities of leadership in a male-dominated society. She was a powerful warrior, a skilled peacemaker, and a true believer in women's rights. Queen Ahebe Ugbabe's leadership was marked by her ability to balance strength with compassion, making her a revered figure in Igbo history. Her courage and wisdom inspired many Igbo women who came after her. She showed that women could lead with authority and grace, paving the way for future generations of female leaders. Now, let's talk about Flora Nwapa. She was an amazing Igbo writer, teacher, and politician. Flora Nwapa's contributions to literature and education have had a profound impact on Nigerian society. She was the very first Nigerian woman to have her novel published. This groundbreaking achievement opened doors for many other women writers in Nigeria and across Africa. It was called Efuru, and it tells the story of a strong and determined Igbo woman. The novel explores themes of female empowerment, resilience, and the complexities of Igbo culture. Even today, Flora Nwapa's work inspires women writers and leaders all over the world. Her legacy is a testament to the power of storytelling and its ability to affect change. And then there's Margaret Ekpo, a remarkable Igbo politician and someone who fought hard for women's rights. She believed that women should have the right to vote and be treated equally, and she fought tirelessly for these things. Margaret Ekpo's activism was instrumental in advancing women's rights in Nigeria. She became one of the first women to be elected to the Nigerian House of Representatives. Her political career was marked by her unwavering commitment to justice and equality. Margaret Ekpo's work continues to inspire women in politics and in every part of life. Her legacy is a powerful reminder of the impact one person can have in the fight for equality. These women, and many more like them, are the hidden heroes of Igbo history. Their stories show us the strength, resilience, and determination of Igbo women. They remind us that history is not just about the past, but about the lessons we can learn for the future. We must remember them and continue to celebrate the achievements of Igbo women today. By doing so, we honor their legacy and inspire future generations to strive for greatness. Thank you for joining me on this journey as we explored the history of Igbo women. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video so others can learn about these incredible women too. Your support helps keep their stories alive and ensures that their contributions are never forgotten. Let's keep their stories alive.